Hi, I am Prakash Shinturi, working in Data Pro Dwarkanagar. My designation is Project Lead and CAD Trainer. In Data Pro, we are providing so many softwares for civil and mechanical departments. And Data Pro having and more than 29 years experience. In Data Pro, we are providing AutoCAD software, Creo, CATIA, Unigraphics, SolidWorks, ANSYS, Abacus, CFD, Deform 3D, Simufact Welding, and Fluent, Hypermesh. And these are the different softwares for mechanical as well as for civil department also. We are providing AutoCAD, SAP 2000, STAAD Pro, ETABS, SAFE, Abacus, ANSYS, CFD, Primavera, MS Project, and these are the different softwares. We are providing the softwares teaching, not only software teaching, we are providing, and projects also. We are ready to do the projects also, and as well as we are conducting so many workshops in engineering college. Not only an educational purpose and real time work environment also we are ready to create in Data Pro. Means here now we are introducing a small demonstration on Revit 2020. Here in Data Pro, in civil and mechanical departments, we are providing almost very advanced versions. In that, one of the Revit software. In Revit 2020, what is the importance of Revit 2020? In this class, we are discussing. Revit 2020 is one of the BIM software, Building Information Modeling Software. This is a totally software useful for civil and mechanical department. Generally, in Revit software, we are providing architectural Revit, structural Revit, and MEP Revit also. Okay, it is the duration is on 60 days. In Revit software, how easily we can create the 3D model of the building, and using this software we can provide the every small elements in building. Means architectural, in architecture, beds, tables, and furnitures, cupboards, like that, and as well as walls, windows, doors, and glass walls, stairs. Every information we can create by using Revit software. It is a very useful for who are constructing the buildings, like builders who are giving the approval to construct the building. Means, and here is a municipal departments, corporation departments. So, and Revit is very useful software in nowadays. How we can develop the any 3D model in Revit software, now we are discussing it. Okay, it is a software is a Revit 2020. Just we are going to, it is a window, clearly we can see it. It is a simple window. Here there is a level plans is that here see it. Now we are developing the one plan. Suppose it is a plan. It is a grid line 1, grid line 2, grid line 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and A, B, C. And why we are using the grid line? Grid lines are uh, useful to specify the column location. Suppose if the column is there, we are giving the column number is a 5A column. Okay, easily identifying the concept. That's why we are creating the grid lines. Here see it, and this one. I will already created the one model. I will show you that here it is a model. It's a one. It is a plan. Okay, it is a total plan, line 1, line 2. It is a spacing is a 150, 170, and we can also check it is a align it from here to here is a how much it is here, sorry, from here, and just select and delete is aligned from line and line. If the distance is 1.7 meters, the 1.7 meters, as well as from here and here, if the one is 4 meters, it is a 4 meters, it is a 4 meters. Like we can create this one 1.7 and 4 meters. It is a window. And next one is we can see the level 2, and here I used this one is G plus 1. See that with the ground 1, 2, 3, G plus 3 building. Okay, view, and this is 3D view of the building. We can see it using colors. I represented in this one. It is a building. Okay, just wait. There is an option is one is modify, the paint and paint, color number 4, and just it is the one. You can see that it is a building. It is the stairs, windows, the view of entire building. Suppose it is a original 3D view of the building, we can see it. Suppose want to see the and level 1 planning, just click on the level 1. It is a level 1 is a level 1. Here see it. It is a wall. Select on the wall and edit type, color fill. Sorry, and okay. These are the walls. As well as for the small wall, is a 6 inch. Here I used is a 1. Just click it here is a 1 solid fill. Okay, and apply and okay. It is a plan of the building. Plan of the building. And suppose want to see the coloring one for every room area, what it may be. There is a room, and select in the room is a another room. It is a one room. Suppose it is a one room. 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 And next one is it is a room. And next one is it is a room. Like we are giving the different rooms, room numbers, and here the click one, and room means it is a room number 1. You can give that name, and select it is a room number 2 in case, and select that or bedroom or whatever it may be. You can give the names for individual rooms, and here the room number 4 in case is a room number 4, and the next one is room number 5 is a room number 5, and next one is room number 5 is a room number 6 and room number 6, and next one is the room number 7 is the room number 7, is a room number 8, is a room number 8, and is a room number 9, room number 9, and room number 10 is a room number 10, and again is a room number 11, room number 11, and the next one is a room number 12, is a room number 12, and the next one is room number 13, room number 13, and the next one is room number 14, room number 14. Okay, not a room number 1 means it is a bedroom, room number 2 is a hall, room number is a kitchen room, and like we can give the individual names to the and particular space, and then go to here is annotate is there, and color fill legends is there. Just click on the one. Here is rooms and names I want. Just click on the names. Automatically we can room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, like we can give the different names to that, or otherwise just double click on it, edit scheme. Want to specify the room area, is the room area, okay, and here is one is solid fill is there, and click on the color, and what type of color is I need is a red color, suppose is a red color, and here click on the and fully green color, and okay, fully green color. Here they click on and fully yellow color, and here they click on fully and we can give the different colors to particular one, and says okay, and okay. And individual rooms spacing, how much it is, we can clearly represent by using a plan. It is a plan number level 1 at ground level, and plan 2, and plan 3, and plan 4, and plan 5, how the plan is, we can see it here, as well as want to cut this plan and view. There is a section, suppose at here to here I want to give the section view of the building. Just double click on the section view, automatically we can see the section view of the building, okay, or otherwise the 3D view of the building, and total detailing of ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, and total building elevation means north elevation, south elevation, east elevation, west elevation, total isometric view of the building, and A to Z information we can give on blueprints. It is the blueprints, is a very useful for those who are constructing the building and detailing, okay, and so this is software is very useful in nowadays. It is a more advanced than AutoCAD, so students, it is a very useful to you. Just and think about the Revit, and you can come to Data Pro and Dwarkanagar, Vishakhapatnam, and we are providing the free demonstration on the Revit software at here. You can know the more things, and thank you and all.